Okay, so we will start with market structure first. Okay, so I will teach you guys about market structure. So what I understand about market structure with my own style, because what I understand about the market may not be the same as others the trader lah. So we draw the theory first. This is the market structure. Okay, so like we see this one, so this is uptrend, so this one is low, high, high, low, higher, high. Okay, so first breakout, call it signal. Okay, this is not confirmation for uptrend, this is just a signal, not a confirmation. First breakout, signal. Okay, so this one is new higher high, and then higher low. This price cannot break this higher low before and make new higher low. So this one we make this one higher low, and higher low push price and break this new higher high before. So this one is confirmation for uptrend. Okay, this one is for direction. Okay, so second breakout, just remember, second breakout is confirmation. Do you guys understand this one? Comment if you understand. If you not understand, then we try to explain it. But okay, thank you. Sorry, because I'm too weak to speak. So I hope you guys understand. Okay, so this one is for uptrend. Downtrend, same like this. Downtrend just same like this. This one is downtrend, right? Okay. Okay. This one downtrend. This one high. Low. Lower high. Lower low. Okay, first breakout is a signal, just a signal. First breakout, just a signal. First breakout, second breakout, then we call it confirmation. Okay, this is confirmation for downtrend. Okay, so let me see this one market. So we open, try to open H4. So what we see at H4 time frame, still downtrend. We take big picture. Okay, so this movement is just minor movement, minor uptrend, not H4 uptrend. Okay, so H4 structure for big picture. Okay, I draw like this. This one high, low, lower high, lower low. So this one low, one lower high, this one lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, so what we see at this structure movement, price movement, the price break this lower high, right? So first breakout, first maybe this one we see like apa kalau pertukaran trend,
trend change. This one will be
trend change.
look like a trend change.
Yeah. So first breakout that we see just a signal. This one signal. First breakout. So this one first breakout is a signal, okay? Not confirmation. So the big picture is for H4 still downtrend, not uptrend yet. If the market want to be uptrend, if the structure want to be uptrend, must make confirmation. So the price make higher low, and then the price make higher low, and price break new higher high. So second breakout must make second breakout first, then we call it confirmation. Okay. Do you guys understand this? Clear, right? So this is market structure, okay? So must have confirmation. If downtrend must have confirmation, if uptrend also must have confirmation. So like example like this one, see, okay, this one for uptrend, right? If you want to hold swing entry, just use this one, market structure. Always use big picture. So this one high, high low, high high, high low. So this is uptrend. So first breakout signal, second breakout confirmation. So then the price will be uptrend. Okay. Are these two breakouts in any? Yes, you can apply this first breakout and second breakout at any time frame, from M1 to weekly. So weekly also have signal and confirmation. So this one, I just mark like this. This one, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. First breakout signal. You must take this shadow for mark your structure. Cannot use candle or a line chart. So must use shadow, because shadow still a price, right? So you must mark the shadow, okay? Second breakout, confirmation. Is it clear? For market structure, I hope you guys understand about this. So market structure you can apply from M1. M1 also have structure, right? M1 also have structure. M1 also have structure. uptrend, downtrend, still same. Just use first breakout and second breakout. First breakout signal, second breakout confirmation. That's it. You can double click on the left scale, it will auto scale. This one. Okay, I see. Alright. Thank you. On lower time frame, including H4 and below, how do you determine structure when there is a lot of information to choose from? Maksud dia ni apa?
Dia cakapkan kalau dari ke bawah kan banyak noise. Dia tanya macam mana kau buat market structure kalau dekat time yang low begitu tuh yang banyak noise.
Apa kalau mau cakap
Apa tuh?
Okay. So on lower time frame, okay, maybe at M15, we take M15, too much noise, right? So just take the highest position, the clear position of structure, and the lowest position. Do you guys understand? For example, just take the shadow. This one the highest, right? So this one high. So the lowest, this one. This one is the lowest. So take this for higher low. Ngam kah? Is it clear? Yeah.
Ngam.
So just take clear structure. Take the big movement. Take the big movement. The highest position of price and the lowest position of price. So there is for market structure. So any question for market structure? If not, we will continue to the storyline syllabus. If not, we will continue to next syllabus. If you have a question, just ask. Okay, one question. Does MS and multi-time frame have any impact on each other? MS itu apa? Market structure and multi-time frame have any impact on each other? No impact. So if I think the impact just like this. So if M15 uptrend, okay, so if M15 uptrend, H4 will settle the storyline from support to resistance. Later I will teach you guys about storyline. Is it clear? Okay. That's the impact. Because okay, so this one we look at this movement. So this one may be a minor uptrend for M15. So M15 uptrend, then H4 will set H4 or daily or weekly will settle the storyline. Because okay, so what we look at here, later, wait, later I will teach you about the storyline. Here, So we go to storyline, go to next syllabus, okay? No question about market structure. Market structure is simple, but um, really important to use for big direction. So if you guys don't have any question for market structure, then I will go to next syllabus, okay? So we will learn about storyline and key level selection for storyline, okay? 2 and 3. So I will take this weekly. So this one is weekly R, weekly resistance. And then this one weekly support. Okay. The script is from support to resistance. Finish at resistance, the price will find new support. Wah. Hilang gambar. Wait, okay. From support to resistance, finish at resistance, the price will find support. So finish at support, the price will find resistance. This is the script. Okay. So wait, this one there. Okay, so from support, apa mau cakap apa kalau price itu terus jalan sampai dah?
Directly into weekly.
Okay, the price will not directly to weekly resistance. Kena lalu roadblock apa?
Need to go through roadblock.
Okay, so from weekly support, the price will not directly to weekly resistance. Have to go through the roadblock first. So the roadblock for weekly is daily. Daily is the roadblock. So this one, daily resistance. This one, daily support. So weekly have storyline, daily also have storyline. Okay. Okay, when the price from support and reject at this roadblock, daily resistance. So from daily resistance, the price will come to daily support. We'll find daily support. Okay, if the price respect daily support, then the price go find daily resistance again. And if this daily resistance, the price not respect this daily resistance, so the price will come to weekly resistance. Do you guys understand this? I hope you guys clear about this. Okay, so this is the script and theory. So if daily also have roadblock, daily roadblock is H4. So sometimes when you see why price from daily go up and stuck at H4, so they stuck at the price stuck at H4 roadblock. Then the price make same movement. So when H4 resistant, price respect H4 resistant, then price go to find H4 support. Storyline H4. Still, weekly have storyline, daily have storyline, H4 also have storyline, just like that. If daily resistance break, so automatic the price will find new weekly resistance. Okay. If support daily break from resistance, price from resistance weekly, if daily support break, so automatic the price will find new support weekly. Okay. Is it clear? If clear, we will go to real market. Okay, thank you. Sorry for my bad English. Okay, so I guess you look left from CMP to find roadblocks on lower time frame. CMP ni apa?
Current market price.
I guess you look. Yeah. That's true. Okay, so SNR is classical A or B. Maksudnya apa?
Ini mana?
SNR is classical A
Ya
or
bentuk
B.
E, bentuk B itu.
Aha.
Dia tanya, senar tuh selalunya bentuk begitu ya kan? Kok dia tanya itu sih ya? Ataupun ada nih, ada hidden base juga.
There is also have hidden base. So when you open weekly, okay, so we want to find storyline, right? So we must mark the hidden base also. So we open line chart. Okay, we open line chart, then we from support to resistance, right? So this one resistance already break, and this one resistance already touched, so I don't use this one. And this one is new resistance, fresh resistance, okay, fresh SNR. Okay, so we use line chart to mark storyline. So for weekly, I'm using purple, color purple, and this one new support for weekly storyline. Okay, so for hidden also we must mark. This one have hidden, right? This one have hidden. Okay. Then we go down one time frame to daily to find a new resistance. So new resistance for daily, this one and this one, same level as weekly resistance. So I change color to red. Okay, red color. So this one hidden also, right? So daily also have hidden right here. So we mark the hidden. Just mark the hidden. Okay. Then this one new support. Okay, just remember the price must trap in new SNR, resistance and support, new resistance and support, new resistance and new support. Okay, then we go to H4. So what we have right here, H4 QM, I will change to blue color. Okay, and then this one H4 resistant. So okay, so if you guys take weekly, okay, if you guys want to try at this hidden weekly hidden, you guys control using H4 time frame H4 to entry, to find your entry. Okay, find entry top of weekly level storyline. We cannot use weekly level storyline just like that. Must find up from weekly level storyline. So up from weekly level storyline, we have QM and resistance H4. Okay, is it clear? So we just delete this one, delete this one. So we have these two labels. If this SNR break, so we would just wait up here, weekly storyline. Okay, this is weekly storyline. So I think this one no need to precise because weekly, daily, and H4 same label resistant. So we just use this resistant. And for daily, if we use daily, so daily right here, and this one have KM H4 KM. So this one we delete. So we have, if this one fail, if this level fail, we have 1 and 2 SNR, 2 level SNR that we can use. Is it clear, guys? Do you guys understand? Do you guys have question? So new support for H4 this one. The price trap in new SNR, right? So for H4, new resistance, and the price trap in this two new SNR, fresh SNR. I think so. Yes, more example would be okay. I will find another example later with yeah. So if you guys clear for this, we will find okay. So example like this one. Okay, so if we look at this, so this one storyline, right? Okay, this one storyline. So before the price touch this support, this one have new resistance, and then the new resistance break, already break. So next roadblock, daily, right here, daily resistance, and then the price make new support at this level, new support here. Okay, so this one fail, and then we focus on new resistance. Okay, so new support right here, and this one here. So this one new resistance. Okay, so how we want to use this level for entry? Okay, if you want to if you mark daily, okay, this one daily storyline, daily resistance, you can control using H1, or if you want to precise to find H4 level also can. So if we go down H4 one time frame, so this one we must like I said before, we must find entry up from daily level storyline. So this one H4 have resistance here, right? Resistance. Okay, so if you want to control daily using H1 also can. So we precise and go to H1. So same also, H1 have QM and H1 have resistance. So if you guys fail at this level, and then you have last level, this level. Do you guys understand how to use how to use storyline, and to find your key level selection for storyline. So LSNR, double marubozu. I don't teach this one, and I don't know about this. Double maru. Yeah. The reason you go up to find H4 level is so can capture the right point. Yeah, that's true. So just find. Then what is hidden SNR? Hidden SNR. Okay, for hidden base. Okay, hidden base. There is a candle in hidden. Okay, for example, if hidden SNR, there is SNR inside. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, this one hidden, right? So hidden SNR, this one. Have SNR inside the hidden. Market mover. I think about hidden base. I take for example hidden base. Okay, for hidden base I take this one. For example, this one hidden base. Okay, I take full of candlestick, and if hidden SNR, I just take this support level, just like that. Is it clear for hidden? I should find hidden. Can you explain this one again? Okay, wait. We'll find hidden, right? Line chat. So hidden. Where are you? Okay, this one hidden also. Okay, this one hidden, right? This one hidden. This one hidden. Okay. So for hidden SNR, we will find resistance inside the hidden. So there is SNR inside. So coba. Wait. Okay. I think this one first. Okay, so we go to H4. Okay, so there is. Yang mana diambil tuh? Yang ni kah yang ni?
Apa tuh?
Hidden tadi tuh.
Yang sebelah kanan tuh. Sebelah kanan paling baru.
Okay, so here have H4 resistance. So the hidden for weekly, okay, the hidden for weekly have SNR inside. Hidden SNR. Curve on the line chart. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Ivan. So that it's hidden. So do you guys understand about key level selection already for storyline? I use this technique. I just use this technique. Okay. So daily I sell. Okay, I sell at this level. Okay, and then I go to H4 to look up from daily storyline to find entry level. Then here we have here we have hash for resistant, and then if you want to precise, if you want to control daily using h1 also can, and then so same. So this one up from daily storyline, so this have QM and resistance level. So you can try at QM first. If this one fail, then you can try last level entry. RPS SBR. I don't use SBR, RPS. Yeah. So just marking SNR A and V. No need to mark hidden base. Sometimes I mark, sometimes not. Because I take SNR doesn't need second movement. Means apa maksudnya ni?
Dia cakap SNR tu tak perlukah macam second movement, macam sudah breakout kan, macam ada S atas, bawah tu ada breakout lagi ke bawah. Macam Alif Awang punya SNR tu.
Saya tidak tahu.
Kan ada second movementnya.
Second movement
Dia
SNR.
dia support dia contoh kan resistance dekat atas. Lepas tu dia ni lagi, dia ada lagi breakout lagi satu kali.
Okey, lepas tu? Apa yang saya perlu jawab di sini? Saya kurang faham. Another example for this question. I mean explanation for this question, because
Hello?
hello,
Sudah terjawab kah?
belum.
Okay. For the second movement tu dia macam dia tanya yang kau buat market structure tadi kan, higher high, low. Dia cakap kau perlukan lagi buat satu higher high sebelum ni, sebelum kau mark SNR yang dekat bawah tu, begitu?
Tidak sampai.
Tidak sampai kan? Dia macam kan contoh support kan,
Yeah, QML as strong as SNR. So I also use QM. SNR doesn't need second movement. SNR doesn't need second movement.
Dia macam kau tengok dekat chart ni kan, yang 24 ni ada kan yang naik ni, yang dari bawah 24 ada kan naik ni, pasal lagi tengah tu kan dia breakout lagi sekali. Tu maksudnya dia cakap second movement, perlukah itu? Dia macam sudah naik dia breakout lagi satu kali, yang tengah-tengah tu maksudnya, perlukah?
Sudah naik,
lepas tu dia breakout lagi sekali.
Okay.
Maksudnya untuk mark yang support bawah tu perlukah ada lagi breakout satu kali?
Oh, maksudnya macam mana? Maksudnya perlu mark support yang bawah ni?
Untuk mark support yang bawah tu perlukah yang dekat atas tu kena break lagi satu kali?
I see. Apa questionnya tadi? SNR doesn't need second movement. Oh, SNR need second movement also. SNR needs second movement also. So if this one, okay. So if this one, so saya kurang. I'm not really understand for this question.
Pas dulu lah, nanti kita bincang di grup tu.
be valid. Those resistance need to break a low. Those support need to break a high to be valid. Those resistance need to break a low to be valid. Yang ni?
Yang tu contohnya macam kau sudah makan low, high, lepas tu perlu kau break kau punya high dulu tu untuk kau punya yang punca kasih support kau tu valid. Gitu.
Macam mana? Ayah.
Dia kan contoh kau ada high high, high low.
Okay.
Contoh kalau macam kau sudah buat high high lagi baru, kau perlu kau buat high high yang baru untuk high low tadi tu valid. Gitu.
Saya faham, tapi saya susah mau explain. Boleh kau tolong explain nggak?
Boleh.
I pass to admin to explain.
Apa kau mau? Kau mau explain macam mana?
Yang kau faham lah.
Okay, so for this question, Kevin question, does support need to break high to be valid? Does a resistance need to break low to be valid? It actually depends on your time frame. When the time frame is higher, you do not need like to break another high point or to break another low point. That's for higher time frame. But for the low time frame, since there is a noise, you need to break another high to ensure that your support is valid. Is that answering your question, Kevin?
Lower time frame means H4 and below.
Yes. Lower time frame means H4 and below. Since H1 to M1 got too many noise, right? So you need to break another high to make sure it is a valid one. Because for higher time frame, it is a strong enough level and you can precise it actually. Is that clear? Okay, thank you.
Kalau
Continue.
macam ni ceritanya, memang lepas saya cakap Melayu, aku translate English.
Continue.
Okay, so do you guys understand already? Chat engineer, okay? We talk about roadblock as well, please. How it is performed, what to look for, how to confirm roadblock is being respect when the higher time frame storyline continues, and so on. So how to confirm roadblock respect? Just wait. Okay, so weekly, right? Just wait the candle close up from the level storyline. So this one, okay, before this, okay, I just take this level. Okay, this one storyline, right? From support. This one you support. Okay, price reject and close up from this level and go find a new resistance. So new resistance to confirm this. Okay, wait, to confirm this storyline respect. So we must wait the candle close reject, same like daily. Okay, so this one weekly storyline. Okay, example, this one weekly storyline, and then this is the roadblock, right? Daily roadblock. So if the price reject like this, close and open, so this one already respect, okay, this one already respect. Mana tadi tu? Okay, so if we look at H4, And then this one daily respect, right? So the roadblock is H4 support. Yeah, this one H4 support. But then the price make new support right here, and the price go to find new resistance H4. But the price not reached yet, right? And then H1, wait, okay. So okay, so the price, I just take this confirmation lah. So just understand the confirmation for respect. And so if you want to know the price respect the roadblock, so just wait the candle close reject, just like this H4. That's why daily storyline not complete, this one, this reject, right? That's why the price not complete to find daily support. Guys, price respect at H4 roadblock, this one. Is that clear? Hancur masa depan aku begini. Is that clear, guys? Is that answering your question? Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so just like that for storyline. So any question about storyline again? If you want to know the price respect roadblock, just waiting for candle close reject. If you want to find daily storyline level for entry, just find up from each time frame. So if you use daily, go to H4, control using H1. If you use H4, then you go to H1, just like that. Is that clear for storyline? Or any question about storyline? If I can explain, then I will pass to admin for explain. When price complete its storyline from support to resistance and break to resistance, yeah, it will go to the next resistance of the same time frame also. So if I think so, like for example, like this one, right? Okay, so daily break, daily storyline break, then the price will go find daily storyline. Daily, if daily break also, then the last level is this resistance and QM. Because this one up here is weekly storyline also. So just waiting for weekly storyline complete. Did the support break is a new resistance. Maksudnya?
Dia tanya pasal SDR RBS tuh.
Okay. Yeah.
Dia cakap,
If the support break, it will be a new resistance.
tapi kita nggak gunakan.
Yeah, but we don't use it. We just take this one, classic SNR, A and V. Yeah, just like that for storyline. So any question about storyline? Lepas storyline apa saya mau ajar lagi ya?
Kejap.
Semalam saya ajar apa dorong? Storyline. Just ask if I can translate. If I can explain, then I will pass to admin to translate for me to help me to answer your question.
Breakout setup.
Yeah, we don't use SPR RBS, but okay, maybe tomorrow. Monday I will teach you guys collision SND and SNR because I don't use RBS SPR. For example, like I don't use SPR like this. Okay, so I use collision. So I take the shadow also. Then I will go multi-time frame. Then I will find setup or SND. Then I will teach you SND also. So I will find SND. So I use this one. So I don't use SPR, RBS. Now we broke to daily. Resistance, that's mean we are very bullish. Yeah, so taking sales from daily resistance will be, yeah, that's true. Better wait for buy opportunity, I guess. Yeah. But you can try and sell also, guys. If we look at market structure, because weekly still downtrend, right? So maybe this level and H4 daily roadblock, right? Daily roadblock and H4 roadblock. So we can try at this level first. Maybe next week I will try this level for sell. So if the price say, if higher time frame say buy, lower time frame say sell, so we sell for buy. Okay, we sell for buy. So this one you support, right? If the price respect this level, close reject, and the price come at this level, so we will just wait buy at this level support. Yeah. That's true. So any question? Another question for storyline? Have you taught confirmation? Not yet. It will be last. I will teach you guys last confirmation entry. So we will use M1 for confirmation entry. So if you guys don't have any question for storyline, then we will go to setup. Okay, we will go to setup. So my setup, my entry style, like, wait, okay, this one is breakout setup sell. This one breakout setup buy. Okay, so this one breakout, and then this one breakout. So we will entry at resistance and support. Sell at resistance, buy at support. We will not use RBS SPR. Why I choose resistance and support, sell at resistance and buy at support because this is the reason the price this is the reason price push the price to break this support, same like this. The reason price push and break this resistance. So when the price pull back, then we just wait at support. Price pull back, we just wait at resistance. So we'll find entry at this resistance and support. So sell at support, buy at resistance. Is that clear? For this setup breakout setup, sell and buy. I always use this one. I don't use any technique for sell and buy. This one is for continuation, okay? This one is for continuation. By the way, this setup for continuation have two level for we to monitor or focus. So this one sell at resistance, right? This one sell at resistance. And this one buy at support. So we just, okay, if this setup fail, sell at resistance fail, then we have one more level that we must focus. So this one is the best level for entry sell. The best level. So this the best level, which is also support, also resistance. Is that clear? For this setup, maximum fail three times. But win rate for my setup, if I have 10 setup, 8 per 10 or 9 per 10. Because sometimes if this one fail, then I have this the best level for entry sell. If this buy at support fail, I have the best level for buy. So still not at the maximum to fail. QM resistance and support. Yeah, QM also I use. Okay, so okay, wait. I will explain you about QM. QM also have two style. Okay, this one QM, right? This one I put QM. This one I call it QM high risk because I use structure for QM. So this one QM low risk. So this one QM low risk. This is the different QM high risk and QM low risk because it use structure. Just like I said before, but market structure must have first breakout and second breakout, right? So this one low, high, low, higher high, lower low. So this one is first breakout, still just a signal. This one high risk because if you make this QM low risk, sometimes the price will go up this level, or sometimes the price will not respect this QM. So we must use this one. I choose to use this one. Okay. So I mark this one low. Up. High. High. Then high. Lower low. Lower high. Lower low. So first breakout, second breakout. Is that clear? Does the second QM standard make a QM by roadblock? Maksudnya apa nih?
Mana?
Does the second QM standard make a QM by roadblock?
Diego, can you refresh your question, please?
Kau tolong explain, Cap.
What is the question? Does the second QM standard make a QM by roadblock? Oh, yes. Maksud dia, yang turun lower low tu, yang second QM ni kan, lower low tu, tu maksud dia buat ni kah, QM roadblock. Maksudnya ada dia QM lah begitu.
Tolong explain, Cap.
Yes. The standard make a QM by roadblock. Yes. The bottom one is the QM by roadblock, but the bottom one is also the first QM, which is a high risk QM level. I mean, you can take it, but it is a quite risky level. But depends on how the market react. If the market give a reaction, then you can entry there lah. Is that clear?
Okay. So then we will go to market. So this setup you can also apply at any time frame from M1 to H4, but daily you cannot use because daily and weekly for direction. So H4 from H4 to M1 you can use it. Okay, you can use it. So for example, like this, right? Okay, I give you example like this one. So this is setup breakout. Okay, sell at resistance, base level. Is that clear for this breakout setup sell? So I use, if you fail at sell at resistance, so you have one more base level to recover your entry at this resistance. Based on H4, also H1 also have, and 15 also based. I think all time frame also based. Best if you follow direction. If you not follow direction, then that will not be the best. H4, if you use higher time frame, use H4. And if you like to use lower time frame also can. So for example, I find example here. For example, I will find my entry first. Okay, so just like this. Later I will share you my entry at this level. Okay, so H1 also have setup breakout, right? Breakout setup. So this one, sell at resistance. This one breakout. if you guys cannot detect SNR using candle, just use line chart. If you guys cannot detect the breakout, so just use line chart. If you use candle, just mark the body candle, body candle. Just mark the body candle. Just same like as a line chart. So this one breakout setup sell at resistance. So this one we cannot use because this price already touched this level. So we just use fresh SNR. Okay, we just use fresh SNR. Okay, if you guys use H1, if you guys want to precise to get sharp entry, okay, sharp entry, you guys must multi time frame, 2 time frame, go down to time frame M15, and then just find resistance at M15. So if H1 right here, right? So just use this one. So you guys got sharp entry here. Later I will send you this screenshot, my entry. Is that clear for breakout setup? When you make the entry on the first level and the price goes to the second level, which will be the best? Until we take the SR from the first entry. Just when you make the entry on the first level and the price goes to the second level, do we take the SL from the first? Yeah, just take SL from the first entry. If the first entry fail, just take the first entry, just SL. If SL, just SL, and we try second entry at the best level. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Don. So in this style, we do not use M30, yeah, because M30 and H1 a little bit same movement, so we just go to M15 and M30. If you want to go to M30, better you just use H1. We don't use M30. Okay, so you guys got first entry. If you want to take first entry, just put your sell limit. I use sell limit. If you guys want to instant, later I will teach you confirmation, how to instant using confirmation. Okay, so is this clear for breakout setup? Okay, thank you. So, do you guys have any question for this breakout setup? So this one so also same breakout, right? So this one, if this one fail, and then we have base level here. We go to line chart first. So this one. So if you take this one buy at support, this is the best level. If you take this one also, so this one is 3 level. So maximum 3 level. If just 3 level maximum. Like I said before, just 3 level maximum. So if you guys take this one also, this one buy at support, and this one best level. Okay. You get chance, will you explain concept of layering instead? For me, layering is just like to have fun or to show people that you are great trader. For me, because sometimes, yeah, because yeah, for fun and just to show off. Yeah, to show off, basically to show off. That's why I open one position That's why I open one position. 100 lot is enough, right? So do you guys have another question for this one? Setup or setup sell, setup buy or sourcing? There is no difference. If
I
fail,
have a question. Can you hear me?
any question?
Yeah, I have
Before
a
we go.
question.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes,
What
go
I have
ahead,
a
go ahead.
question. Okay. If I type it, it will be long, so I thought to speak. But it's about layering and opening one position. Is there a benefit considering if you layer, let's assume you want to open 100 lots, if you layer and maybe break it down to 10 lots across 5 entries and opening 100 lots, is it better for your risk margin? Is it better for your risk margin? Is it better for risk?
Apa dia jawab?
Based on your experience.
Aku jawab. As for the layering method, right? So it is best for you to layer in order to have a good management. I mean, like a good money management, because when you are layering, let's say you layer 5 lots, right? Like 10 lots, and you open 5 of them, you can basically close like 3 layer in your first target TP, then set your the rest of the lots to break even, and then let the price ride. Did
Yeah.
you get what I mean? It is more to your risk and your money management. But with one lot, it is more hard for you to do anything with it.
But if you guys
All right, thank you.
another trader, they not close the layer, so they just want to show off.
Yeah, true.
Yes, that's true. And also to have fun with it.
Any question? M1 confirmation just simple but legit. So just ask if you want to ask before we go to last our syllabus. Which time frame is your entry preference? Yang saya pilih kah?
Yang mana kau suka?
For me, I would like to choose H1 and H4. H1 and H4. Yeah, H1 and H4. But sometimes I use at lower time frame. Just sometimes. I think they should follow the syllabus program base. Nah, they just talk about layering, right? My max stop loss just 20 pips. Just 20. Because I take a lot of sharp entry, right? So my SL just 20. If your spread point around 22 or 23, just add more your stop loss, so it will be 22 pips or 23 pips. That is my stop loss. Careful with your question for the acquisition. Okay. So we continue to next syllabus, okay? So no question about setup, right? Setup clear, right? Okay, it's clear. Then we go to confirmation. So my confirmation entry, okay, for example, go to backtest, right? So for example, all right, this one. Okay, this one also setup, right? This one setup. Okay. So I will choose this one first. So this one support. So when you focus at this level, and then you just go to M1, we just go to M1. Wah,
Bon, tekan auto dulu.
yang mana tuh? Di mana sudah ada?
Aku tekan auto dulu. Cek balik.
Yep. Wait. Wait ya. Delete. Okay, if you guys focus this level, right? Then we go to M1. Okay. Wait ya. There's not precise. Okay. So if, okay, wait. So if we take this one, right? So we must precise because this is the zone for H4 is too big. Okay, too big. So you cannot put your SL, you cannot maximum your minimum your SL. So we go to H1 to precise. So this have at H1 have support. Okay, so the zone will be like this. Okay, see this support, right? So we take this shadow. Okay, and then we go to M1. We go to M1. Yang ni kah yang kanan?
Yang kanan.
And then, so you take trend line. This one trend line, right? If you guys, and you just pull it, just mark using structure. So if you guys don't see, cannot detect the structure at M1, open line chart and open candlestick again, and just take the shadow because we use market structure breakout. So we use this trend line for breakout. If this trend line breakout, then you can just instant buy. So my TP around 50 pip and 100, 200, 50 and 100 pip. Is that clear for confirmation? Breakout structure, breakout trend line, candle close outside this trend line, breakout, and we see this one breakout, so we just instant buy. This is for instant. Yeah, so I use this confirmation for entry. I always use this one because we need to find confirmation, right, for entry. So TP 50 to 100. I didn't quite get that. Could you say it again? Okay. Okay. For example, okay, if you guys want to okay. If you guys want to take H4 support, okay, so this one H4, right? You want to focus, and then this is the storyline. Okay, so from support, okay, from resistance, new resistance to support. Okay, this one support break already, and then this is new support for H4, new storyline for H4. If you want to focus this level, go to H1, and we must find buy below the level for at H4 storyline. So this one H4 level storyline, right? So we cannot entry at this level. Also at H4, if we use setup, this zone is too big for we to put our SL. So we must precise also to H1. So we go H1, and then we have support right here, H1 support and H1 zone, H1 support zone. So and then we go to M1 to find confirmation. To find confirmation. Okay. So when the price come inside this zone, so you guys just monitor M1 structure. So take your trend line, just pull the trend line, wait for trend line breakout. If the price break the trend line, then we just instant buy. Yeah, you also can put if you instant, right, if your entry at this level and just put SL below M1 also can. If you want to maximum to 20 also can. Is that clear? But I will choose to put SL 20 pips because sometimes the price will test at this support again or playing at this zone, then the price go up. So better just put 20 pips SL. Yeah, clear. TP is about 50 and 100 to 100. When do you move to BE? So when the price go around 50 pips or 40 or 30 also can, to secure your profit, just set BE. If the price go around 30 pips, okay. If the price go around 30 pips, I not set PE yet. If the price go around 50, then I will set PE. So this one still 17, right? So if the price go 30, so you just set PE around 10 pips or 15. 10 pips or 15. But if the okay, wait. So 10 pips or 15. Okay, 10 pips right here. If you put 10 pips, that's why if 30 pips, I will stick to my SL because the price will go make structure, right? Then I will stick to my deep SL. So if when the price go to 50 pips, then I will set BE. So if 50 or 40, then I will set BE around 20 pips. 20 pips. This is my BE. So when the price goes 70, then I will go up my BE around that 40 pip. If 70 I will put around 40 pip. If 100 I will put 60 pips, 60 or 70 pips. That is my BE. Is that clear? So the price from confirmation instant, wow, 84 pips. This is enough. This is enough, right? 50 also enough for me. If you got 80 to 100 to 200, it is bonus for you guys. Okay, clear, right? When you get a chance, can you give us more example? Okay, sure. Wait, we will find M1 confirmation. Okay, so for example, okay, this one breakout, right? So okay, if we take this level, we go to M1, we see first. Okay, so this one breakout structure, right? Sure. Okay, this one breakout structure. One candle. So, wait, I will see first. How much floating? Oh, already SL. I think this one news. Yang ni news ni kan?
News.
I think this one news. Okay, for M1 confirmation, there is two type for confirmation. Break instant also can, break pullback also can. Sometimes when news, the price will test M1 first. After breakout confirmation, the price will test M1. The price will pull back and test M1 support. So if not in news, when no news time, so if you wait for trend line breakout, just instant. If when you trade news time, so just wait for pullback. Then you entry. Do you guys understand? If you use confirmation when you trade at news, just wait for pullback. If you trade when no news, when normal day, just when break, just instant. Because sometimes when news, the price will test support M1. Sometimes the price will go do like this. After breakout, the price do like this sometimes, and then the price go up like this. So we just wait for pullback if we trade on news. Okay. Is this example get SL on instant? Maksudnya apa?
Dia cakap kalau ni kau terus instant kena Excel kan?
Yeah. If you instant on news, sometimes news give best movement when break and the price will go directly go. But sometimes when news, the price will test M1 support. So when you instant on news, then you have two direction right here. So you have one SL first, then the price will fly, or the price directly fly from your instant entry. So is this clear for you guys for confirmation? SNR setup, M1 confirmation are what you use to get. Yeah. If you have 10, if I have 10 setup, 8 and 8 per 10 and 9 per 10. 8 per 10 and 9 per 10 for my win rate for 10 setup. So if I have 10 setup level SNR, if I use confirmation also, so it sometimes fail one setup, sometimes fail two setup. Yeah. So you guys can forward test next week. So we forward test together next week. Always forward test. Maybe for this weekend you guys can back test. You guys can SS if you guys not really understand about this confirmation or how to use it. Just SS and just ask in group. Then I will reply and answer your question. Do you trade during news, or if the news on okay for if the news FOMC, because FOMC always at 2 a.m. Malaysia time, so I not trade FOMC. I just trade NFP or other news at 8:30 p.m. Malaysia time. Only admin at FOMC because I already sleep. Yeah, this video is recorded. So any question, guys? Yeah, they are monthly bearish, weekly bullish, daily bullish. Another question? For storyline or for confirmation or setup? For direction, I use storyline. Same also. So I just wait at this level. If I want to try sell at H4 level, maybe I sell for buy. This one, I will try this next week. These two level is if these two level fail, then I will try at weekly storyline. So I will buy at this support. If the support fail, then we wait at support, new support H4. Yesterday I saw someone in the gold buy on H1 around 1.57. I thought it was interesting. Apa yang dicap?
Dia cakap pasal entry si ni tu, si Zaki dekat grup yang dia buy dekat H1. Sedangkan daily tengah mau sell yang itu.
Coba kau tolong jawab pula.
Let me see wait. As for that reason, let me see the chat. I thought this was risky as the time frame had a few buy breakouts. So at some point we expect a pullback to happen, but he said there is no sign of reversal, so was okay to enter buy. What he mean by there's no sign of reversal, so was okay to enter buy is the confirmation at lower time frame. So there is no price action for breakout to downward side. So he just hold his position lah. Because the storyline is currently buy on H1 yesterday. Is that clear? Okay, I see one follow. Okay.
Soalan lain lagi.
Do you guys have any question?
On smaller time frame, there will be sell BO, so how to manage expectation properly. Okay, if I use lower time frame, right? So if I miss at this level, okay, if I don't get entry at this level, okay, I will follow up the direction. I will follow up the direction, which is I will find setup breakout buy. Okay, so this one buy, right? So setup breakout buy at lower time frame. I take the clear movement, so I will find clear movement breakout setup. So you guys must make a lot of practice, so then you guys can see the breakout setup at lower time frame. So if okay, so this one breakout setup also, right? So I wait here, and then I buy. I try this level. If this one fail, then I buy at the best level. So I still follow the direction, right? Can you explain more how you determine the direction? Apa maksudnya ni sudah?
Dia minta kau explain macam mana kau cari direction.
Macam mana cari direction?
Ya. Yeah.
Okay, for determine the direction. Okay, we just use storyline. Just use storyline, because I always use storyline. A lot more to using storyline for direction. Because okay, if this one's new support, right? So this one weekly support. So I just focus on big direction. So when at H4, at H1 or lower time frame, breakout by, right? So I just follow the direction and using the setup. Is that answering your question, Kevin? You determine the direction by looking at the price come from. Yeah, for example, current price comes from a direction of a weekly support. Then we say weekly direction is bullish before it. Yeah, that's true. Okay. Any question, guys? Yep. So mostly setup RBO buy. Mostly setup RBO buy. Breakout, and what we see at this movement uptrend, right? So breakout buy is more than breakout sell. So we just focus on buy after this. So if you want to sell, just sell for buy. Okay, because we target the price will come at this level, right? Storyline. So focus on buy, sell for buying. Yeah, just following higher time frame direction. Like I said before, if the price said buy and the lower time frame said sell, just sell for buy. Okay, example is if this one, if the price respect this level, sell, just sell for buy. Okay, because our direction is right here, this level. Like just the F4 direction is weekly, just weekly, because monthly is too big for direction. You also can use monthly, but the monthly direction is too big. If you want to use monthly, so okay, so monthly, next support, next storyline, this level and this level. So next resistance, this level and this level. This is for monthly. We don't I don't use direction monthly so much because there's many roadblock at daily and H4, right? So I just use weekly. KM sell monthly, yeah, KM sell monthly. This one QM, right? KM sell, but we don't take sell at this level. We will precise at H4 daily, weekly. Then we will see what the price make make movement at this level. What will be the setup in this level? You guys understand? I use shadow as SNR zone, just like I marked just now, right? I use SNR zone, SNR shadow. Okay. For example, like before, so okay, for example, like this one, H4, right? This one H4. Then the zone for SNR H4 just like this. Because this one is the support, right? This is the zone. So the price not break this zone and the price reject and close inside this zone. So I still use. Is it clear? H4 shadow, H1 SNR, H1 SNR and shadow, H1 shadow, right? There is something inside the shadow. There is a time frame or SNR inside the shadow. So H1 inside have support, just like that. So inside H1 shadow, there is have SNR also. So if we go to M15, just go to M15. So there is have support right here. So you get your sharp entry. If you want to find sharp entry, just H1 multi-time frame, go to M15. So this one support M15. You only go one time frame lower to get the more accurate level, or you will go level. If I use H1, then I will go lower, 2 time frame lower. So M15. If I use H4 or daily, if I use daily, I will go sometimes H4 one time frame, sometimes I go 2 time frames to H1. But if I use H4, then if I want to get a more accurate label, then I go down H1 time frame, 1 time frame lower. Daily, just daily. If you control weekly, you can go to H4. Use H4 to control this weekly level. If you use daily, you can control H4 using H4 and H1 level. H1 time frame, sorry, H1 time frame. If you use H4, then you can use H1 time frame. And I will not go to M30 because H1 and M30 a little bit same movement. So I just go to H1. But if I use H1, then I go to 2 time frame lower. Okay. If the zone still too big, yeah, I will go to small time frame. I will precise. Just like this one, right? This one H4 zone is too big, right? So I go to H1. Then I will get the support. Is that clear? Yeah. Any question, guys? Okay, for now, thanks. So then for confirmation, you will go to M1. Yep. For confirmation, I will go to M1. Just remember, if you trade on news, if break trend line, wait for pullback, then entry. If you trade on normal day, with no news at the day when you trade, just instant when the price break the trend line. I don't use trading session if M1 confirmation happens beyond the setup zone. Maksudnya apa nih? Oh, admin.
Ya,
Apa maksudnya nih?
ya mana?
Si Kevin.
Dia tanya kalau contoh M1 confirmation tu, jadi berlaku luar zone kau punya setup. Kau ambil ke tu entry?
I will not enter. If M1 confirmation happen beyond the setup zone, I will not enter. Yeah. Another question before we end our class. So just ask if you have a question. Short summary. Maksudnya apa nih?
Singkatan apa yang kita belajar ni hari.
Okay, for the short summary, for market structure, we will wait confirmation, first breakout, confirmation, second breakout, and then for storyline, we will use fresh SNR. Okay, for storyline, we will use fresh SNR only, fresh SNR. and then we will find if the storyline, okay, the storyline we will find from daily, right? So then we will precise to find entry up from this level daily storyline. Then we will go find h4 or h1. Okay, that is for storyline. So if we use breakout setup, okay, we have two level, set breakout cell at resistance, and this one, for example, yeah, this one, sorry, cell at resistance, and this one, the base level. So this one is for breakout setup. And then for confirmation, if the price come at SNR level, okay, then we will wait for breakout trend line. Breakout trend line at M1, breakout and instant, just like that. Breakout and instant, breakout and instant. Is that clear, chat engineer? Can we just see a few example of the whole process from start to finish? How you okay? Later, but I will send you screenshot. Can we can I will send screenshot at group later. Yeah, all screenshot that I have for my entry, I will send to you at group, to you all. I will explain. Also, I will explain also why I entry sell, why I entry buy. Okay, sure. Next week I will send you guys my trade, my entry also. Anytime, brother. So any question? So entry on M1 is after break of trend line. Yeah, after break of trend line rather than M1 structure break. We just take trend line and we just take structure for we pull this trend line to put this trend line like this, and then we entry just using trend line after breakout, just instant. If you want to use structure for direction at M1 also can. See, if you see this one, see this one also, okay, see this one also structure, right? This one lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then the price break is lower high, first breakout confirmation for M1, second breakout confirmation, first breakout is signal for M1, second breakout confirmation for M1. So then the price uptrend. So this one is confirmation for uptrend. This one is for direction. So you also can use, but for entry, just use this one. Just use trend line breakout. If you want to control your direction at M1, you can use this one also, market structure. So then you can hold. Is that clear? Any question? If you guys have a question, just ask. If you guys don't have, then we will end our class tonight. Then next session I will teach you guys collision SND and SNR. I will not enter from hidden base. I will not enter. I will take clear SNR only. Which is like if we clear have hidden, I will not mark the hidden, but I will choose to find at H4 SNR H4. Because the hidden also SNR, right? I see. Yeah, they also trade inter and hidden base. Thank you. Any question? By the way, I want to sorry for my English was not really good. I'm not good at speak, so I hope you guys understand. Thank you. Yeah. Next session is collision SND and SNR. Yep. Then the one after is sideways SNR. Yep. And then for last class, then we will refresh again from market structure to sideways SNR. Last day session. Our last day class. I think this was confusing, so please make sure you point out during the week when the storyline changes here. Okay. Sure. Alright. So you guys don't have any question already? Next session Monday, because tomorrow will be Malaysia and Indonesia session. I use moving average. I not use moving average. Yeah, let's kill it next week. Let's make the broker bankrupt. Ha ha ha. Okay, thank you. Excellent class. Sorry, guys. Okay, so if you guys now have a question, then we will end our class. Okay, so I will send my screenshot, my structure, my storyline entry, my confirmation. No worry, I will send. This only works. This setup also you can trade also using US30. You also can trade Nasdaq or silver also can. Currency not really suggest for trade at currency because I don't really understand currency movement, because sometimes currency respect our SNR but sometimes not, so I'm not trade currency, so I just trade gold, USDT, Nasdaq, and silver. Oil also can. Crude oil. Yeah, you can use in any session. Because sometimes I trade at say Asia session, sometimes at London, sometimes at New York. Also can. Yeah. And why is the principal session? For M1, the trainer has to have 2 points. Yep, that's true. M1 has to have 2 points. This one, 2 points. But we use shadow, okay? We will use shadow. So this 1 point, 2 point. 1 point, 2 point, break, and instant. Yeah, okay. You're welcome. So any question? How can you draw a trend line with 1 point? So if you guys don't have a question, then we will end our class tonight, okay? So if you guys have a question, you guys can ask at group lah, at group. Just ask at group. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for understanding me. Thank you. Good night and have a nice day. Thank you so much. Okay, anytime, brother, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, everyone. Bye. We will continue at Monday.